Hi everyone! Today I have a haul video for you. This is actually my Stamptember order that I ordered in the beginning of September. It takes a lot of time. It got stuck in customs for some reason. So yeah, it's a lot of Halloween stamps. I wish I could have gotten them like in the beginning of October, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to just go through them and make cards for you and show them off for you throughout the next couple of weeks. But for the first products that I bought was these blender brushes. They are the Simon's Stamp brand. They're super soft. I never had blender brushes and I thought these would be really fun to start playing with. The next product is the BATTY dies, which is this cute little bat die. And also these outlined Halloween dies. Those were the only dies that I picked up, and I do have a card coming up this Wednesday with those products. Then we have the Halloween People stamp set, which is mostly just Halloween sentiments. Strangely enough, I don't have that many sentiments. I have a lot of Halloween stamps, but not that many sentiments. And then we have the clearly Besotted. This is the creepy corners. They're not creepy, they're just adorable. And I couldn't really choose, so I bought all three of them, even though I knew that I might not be able to make cards with all of them, but hey. This is the Balloon Bunch. And then the last one is Treats Please, and they're so adorable, and I just want to buy all of the clearly Besotted stamps right now. All of them. Then we go to some Christmas. This is a CZ design and Simon's stamp. It is called Chunky Christmas, which I think is kind of cool. Also, I needed some new Christmas sentiments, so I thought that would be perfect. I saw these prismatic snowflakes and I got all of the ideas, both with Copics but also watercolor and maybe some gouache. We'll see, maybe some gouache. And I found this background stamp, which is called HEXAGON tile background. Again, I think it's super cool. You can color the background, you can just blend the background. I have so many ideas. I also got this the Boo Crew stamp set. This is a huge stamp set with all of these like cute little things. You can use the pumpkins as they are, or add the faces. You have little details you can use in a shaker. I just fell in love with them. I hope you had time to create with them before Halloween. And then I got these XL greetings because I thought I needed some really big greetings to have on my cards. And the last thing was kind of what drew me to start kind of ordering this time around. I saw in their email that this stencil was there and I just fell in love with it. It's called Floating Leaves. It's a Slimline stencil. It is just beautiful, and I'm just thinking this very light green, blue-green colors. Oh, I have so many ideas. As usual, I have links in the description down below. They are affiliate links. I just want to disclaim that, but they are in the description down below if you are wondering where you can get any of these products. Well, on Simon's Stamp, but there are direct links. It's easy for you. It's easy for me. Also, there will be videos coming up with all of these products in the next couple of weeks, months. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!